Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem with your Instagram. So if Instagram is not working on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to remove your Instagram app and just download it again. So just tap on it, and here you will see the delete button. Just tap on it and submit deleting your app. So after, just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write here Instagram, and if you see here get button, just tap on get and wait until it will successfully download and install Instagram on your phone. Also, you can check your network, so just go to the settings. In the settings, you need to find here Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just check your Wi-Fi network, and if you use cellular data, just check your cellular data. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel if you like, and goodbye.